Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I'll teach you how to remove the background from a logo. So now firstly what you're gonna do, you're gonna go up here to the left and pick the third tool, and the bottom it's gonna say magnetic lasso tool, alright? Now as you can see here we have this white background which we want removed because we want it to be transparent. So we have our magnetic tool which will automatically stick to the edges. We just click and then we just trace our mouse accordingly. It's better to do this slowly than fast because otherwise it might mistake another edge for the edge of this, and then you're gonna have to restart the process. And every time you see those little squares show up, that's because it has saved where it was the last time to make sure that it doesn't forget and screw up. As you can see here, I'm not even clicking my mouse button, I'm simply scrolling all the way around it like this. And as you can see here, we're just gonna go nice and slowly, especially on these straight lines. Those can be a bit more tricky. And all the way around here, and then we just click. And as you can see here now, we can see that it's highlighted. What you're going to do is you're going to copy it. So you just press Control C or Command C for a MacBook, and then Control V or Command V for a MacBook. We just post it. And as you can see over here, we have another layer. And now I'm just going to remove the background layer. And that's it. Now I have a transparent logo. And to make sure that it stays transparent, you're going to go into Files and Save As. You're going to go down here and you're going to pick PNG and just say transparent logo. And then once it's saved, you always want to choose this, which is least slow, because it won't be compressed. And then let me show you the picture now. As you can see here, now it's a bit rough because I did it fastly. Of course, you can do a lot better, and you can open this picture again, and it's going to be even more smooth. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.